Hi, I'm Preston, an SAE here at Xantrex, and today I'm going to show you how to install a Xantrex Flex solar panel. Once you've chosen a location to mount your solar panel, be sure the area is clean. Using a cleaner that does not leave a residue behind, most likely an alcohol-based cleaner, wipe down the surface, making sure there is no dirt or debris. Once you have the surface prepped, you're now ready to install your panel. Be sure to remove the adhesive backing off the lead edge of the solar panel. Once you've done that, you can stick the lead edge to the surface, and having a helper, lift the solar panel up and remove the backing from front to rear. This can be a tedious process, but take your time and move slowly. Once you have all the adhesive backing off the panel, you can set the panel down and press firmly on the center, working the bubbles out from inside to the outside. Once the panel is on, go ahead and take the adhesive backing off the edge tape, being sure to pull the edge tape out and away from the panel. This secures the edge of the panel to the mounting surface. Once the panel is secure, you can add 3M 4411 edge tape. This edge tape helps keep the edges of the panel from lifting. This is beneficial in areas where the panel will be subject to wind and the elements, keeping the panel edges from lifting up. When attaching the 3M tape, be sure not to overlap any of the tape on the cells, as you'll have reduced performance if the cells are covered by the 3M tape. Once you have the 3M tape installed, your panel is now ready to use.